Hi, so this video is regarding how to print, scan, copy and fax with your HP OfficeJet 3830 all-in-one printer. So there are many options we can use for that. We can do it with the MacBook, we can do with laptop, we can do it on the printer, and we can also do with any other device like mobile devices. So I'm going to show you first about the print. So for the print, if your the main thing is like if your wireless connection is on and if it is connected with your devices, so you can send a command from the device and then we can print it here. For example, I'm going to do it with my MacBook. So here I can print a document with the help of that. So once we have a copy we want to print, just go for the print option. Now we can select the printer from that for your like HP OfficeJet 3830 series, and we click print. Now we'll see how it long takes for the printer. Now it's printing and we can say it has printed. Because your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi of your home network, so this printer has Wi-Fi which we can connect with the home network or business network, and if your laptop, mobile or Android device is connected to that Wi-Fi or that network, then you can send it through that to print it here. Now I can tell you how we can do scanning. So for scanning, like we have to open this, place the document we want to scan, and now we can go to the printer and devices in our MacBook. You can see here it's actually in the printers and scanners. Go to the scan, open scanner. So we can hear the sound like it's actually scanning. You can see on the screen as well. So here we are on the printer screen. It says copy. So we can print it in the black or color, and the number of copies we want we can select from here, and then it will print. And if we want to scan a document in this printer, we have to go on scan. Now it will ask where to save this scan, like if you have a computer, notebook, select that option and it will scan the document and send to that device automatically. And the third thing we can see here is fax. Now for the fax, you just have to press the fax button, and if you want to send now, you can click on send now, and you have to enter a fax number here. So just randomly I'll put 1, and you just press OK, and you can see if you want to send it black or color. Once you select that option, it will send the fax to that number.